Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Pensacola Beach, a charming coastal community located on Santa Rosa Island in Florida's Panhandle. This area boasts a rich history. In 1559, Spanish explorer Tristan de Luna established a settlement here, making it one of the earliest European settlements in the United States. The natural beauty of Pensacola Beach is evident in its sugar-white sands and clear emerald waters. These pristine beaches are part of the Gulf Islands National Seashore, the longest stretch of protected seashore in the country. Pensacola Beach is also known for its vibrant local culture. The Portofino Boardwalk is a popular spot, featuring open-air bars, restaurants, and shops, all with stunning views of the Santa Rosa Sound. Whether you're here to relax on the beautiful beaches, explore historical sites, or enjoy local cuisine, Pensacola Beach offers a delightful experience for all visitors.
Thanks for watching!